Hey everyone! So I wanted to share a very quick and easy DIY with you today. I'm going to start off with these square frames that I purchased at the Dollar General. I was able to find them for 25 cents each in their clearance section. And I am putting down a piece of cardstock that I cut down. And the reason being is because the shelf liner that I want to go over this has a beautiful texture and sheen to it, but it's a little transparent. So the letters would show through. So I put that down first with some Mod Podge. And then I'm just going to slowly add the shelf liner. I purchased this for a backsplash that I had done for some of my photos from Amazon, very cheap. I'll link that below. And then I just made sure I got in the corners real good. Now, these little wooden safari animals I purchased at the Dollar Tree and was super excited because my daughter has an obsession with gorillas and it is so hard to find gorilla stuff. Um, so I used the Mod Podge. This was my first time using this type of material. You can easily spray paint or use acrylic paint, whichever you like, but I really wanted to add some texture. And I really feel like this gives a very expensive glam touch to these. And so since these are thin, they do dry very quickly. So I had found it best to just go ahead and apply the gold sheets to this as soon as I applied the Mod Podge. Um, and I actually did a couple coats of that because I really like the texture with the second coat. And then you can just go back through and touch up the little spaces with more of your water-based adhesive and then adding some more of the gold flakes to it. And I also let these dry completely, and then I took a dry paintbrush, which I'm getting ready to show you, to flake off all the excess that was attached around the outer part of it. And it just comes right off. I also left these flakes off to the side because I'm sure I can use these for something else. I did purchase this pack at Hobby Lobby and I also used my 40% off coupon, but if I can find another link for one similar, I will link it below as well. And here is the finished results. I just really loved how this turned out. Again, her room, it's very hard to find stuff to go with her room. I can find a lot of elephants, which we love too, lions and zebras and giraffes, but gorillas for some reason are a little hard. But I hope you enjoyed this really quick video. And if you're watching on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. And if you are watching it on Facebook, please give it a sprinkle with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.